So welcome back to another video of my channel from the Minecraft gameplay series, and today we are on episode 4 of the Minecraft gameplay series. So yeah guys, as you all have read in the title, today we will be trying to find diamonds, and yes, we will also be taking the chest where means the chest which was just near the nether portal, the broken nether portal. We will be seeing what is inside. Oh wait, someone. Oh, it's night. I think it's night. Oh no, it's not night. So yeah, okay guys, so one more thing I am going to tell you, and that is that yeah, I have done a lot of off camera work, means a lot and a lots and lots of off camera work. I've changed the farming style, I've changed a little bit of that, where my cows and sheeps are. And yeah, I no, wait a second, I have planted a little bit trees as well, and they are grown ups, but I did it over there at that side. And yeah guys, I actually lost my bucket, my one bucket. I lost it where I was also going to adventure off camera, and yeah, I accidentally took my bucket with me, and I actually lost many things, as you can see what I have right now. So I actually lost a lot of things. What I have, what I can get is these things. And yeah guys, I also had a little amount of durabilities for pickaxe and my iron sword and all of that. So yeah, I just actually I made new ones, and I just throw those because those were just useless. And yes guys, I made some new shears as well, because the old shears were actually they were ended because of their durabilities. And because look, as you can see how many oak leaves I have brought, and yeah, the birch leaves as well. So yeah guys, let's just wear this first. And no, I don't actually need the shield right now, so yeah, I will just keep it. And let's just take this. So guys, first thing that I will be doing is I will be oh yeah, and one more thing, I also placed the lecterns over here to make the house look more cool. And yes, I feel like there's something. Okay, yeah, there's more iron ingots in the furnace. And guys, I actually went for mining and all of those things which we do off camera, so I did that as well. But yeah, the main things that I did is this. Guys, as you can see, our farm was first 3 blocks, and now it's actually I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 8 blocks of farming. Okay, so guys, that was really cool. And after that, the main thing that I was just excited to show you is this. I have made a small rooftop for my animals to just have a really nice time. Oh, wait a second, why is there an egg? Oh, there's a chicken as well. That's why there's an oh wait. Yo, what's up, sir? Okay, so guys, that was the thing, and I have done it for both of the sides. And yeah, our sugar canes are actually growing. Wait a second, where are these okay, so guys, I have actually decorated more. I have given 2 gates over here. And yeah guys, one more thing, while I was building this, I thought that we should be removing the exit and entrance over here, as you saw it in the last episode. And if you haven't, go and check that out. So yeah, after that's done, I will be showing you this. And yeah guys, there is a problem, one chain is left over here. I will soon be getting rid of it. So okay, so yeah, isn't it night? Okay, it isn't night. So up till it is night, I can. Okay, I have also made in a little bit of changes to our cabin, which we made in the acacia biome. So yeah, I will show you that as well. So yeah guys, we are here, and close your eyes. 3 2 1. Voila, guys, check this. I have actually done a lot of off-camera work, and yeah, what the result is right in front of you. I have just removed the back doors. I have just keeping the front doors, and yep, and I made a lot of stairs leading downwards, and yes, I actually made a little bit of a mining area, but I actually didn't got anything. Oh no, I got 2 iron right from here. I got 2 irons over here, and I feel like I must be having a little bit two. No, okay. So guys, I actually built some tools from for here. I actually got a lot of carrots. Okay, I don't have. Okay, I don't have. So yeah, all of these things I done, but yeah, there's no bed over here. So if we actually have to sleep, we actually have to go there back. So yeah, let's just go. So guys, I am back to my house. So yeah, first thing is first, we will be going straight ahead, and we will be getting all of the lootables which are right there on this chest. And yeah, one more thing I am thinking, why don't we take our pickaxe? Oh, wait a second, why don't we take our pickaxe? Oh, okay, fire charge, not bad, we can actually take a lot of these. Okay, let's just take one flint, one obsidian. Oh, fortune 2, guys. Oh, ban of, wait a second, what? Oh, unbreaking 2, ban of air. Okay, I think that we will be taking this as well. I feel like it could be cool, we don't know, but yeah, it could be. So why don't we mine? Yo, wait a second, what? Why didn't we got 2? Is this is the fortune? Wait a second, this is the fortune 2 pickaxe. Oh, okay. So yeah guys, what I'm thinking is to just get all of this magma blocks and yeah, decorate our house. Not the floor, of course, I know it, not the floor, the roof, and just to make it a little bit shiny, we can just take it and decorate it. Oh yeah, netherrack as well, netherrack will also look really cool. So okay, let's just take this, guys. I can actually don't remember which was the enchantment to get double, means double. If we mine diamonds, if we mine 1 diamond ore with an iron pickaxe, and that enchantment is on it, so we get 2 iron, 2 diamonds. I don't know what is the name of that enchantment. If you know, just comment down below and tell me what is the name of it. This chicken, I am actually sorry chicken that you are actually just making it really worse. 1 hit won't hurt, bro. Okay, now that was not 1 hit, that was the last hit of her. Oh, you know your brother is dead. Okay, let's just leave this guy. So yeah, after that's done, we'll be keeping all our stuff which we don't actually need right now. We will be keeping that over there. And yeah, we actually don't need obsidian, flint, charge, iron sword. I feel like we should be taking iron sword, but you know what, leave it. So yeah, after that I am thinking, why don't we keep this? Oh yeah, that's a perfect idea. Why don't we keep it one over here? It's 11, nothing won't hurt. If anything goes wrong, we also have pickaxes, and if anything goes wrong, nothing will hurt as well. So yeah, that is done. The last one is over there, and still we have 8. So guys, don't worry about the 8th one. What I'm feeling is to just place it somewhere where it looks really cool, or it gives my house a look of really cool. Guys, I have the best place where we can put this. And yeah, after that we can also recognize our house without seeing the carpet as well. What I think that this idea will actually blow your mind, guys. I am sure that this idea will actually blow up your mind. So yeah, that is the thing that I am thinking. Oh, wait a second. Let's keep this over here. We have break that as well. Now let's just keep. Oh, wait a second. Okay, don't worry about that. We will be taking. Oh, wait a second. We will be taking one bushy bush, and let's just place a bush down there. So, guys, look, with the bushes, the magma blocks behind the bushes, it's giving the bushes a really cool look again. So yeah, after that's done, I actually need a lots and lots of pickaxes, so we can just mine straight down. No, I actually don't mean the straight down, the first rule of Minecraft. I'm not breaking that. What I mean is just mine like that. So yeah, first I will make some pickaxes. Okay, and I actually have to eat a lot. I am glad that we have a lot of bread. Oh. So what I actually have to do is first I will eat and give me full energy, and then I will be crafting a lot of pickaxes and all of that. And I don't have wood. Why don't I have wood? Okay, so guys, I will be doing that, and then I will be seeing you. So guys, yeah, I'm back with all those pickaxes. I actually crafted a little, but yeah, I feel like it won't hurt. So yeah, this is my house, and yeah, I will be mining right here. I feel like, yeah. Oh, I actually should be making a shovel, but okay, don't worry about that. We would be just touching the smooth stone right about now. Oh, wait a second, where is the smooth stone? Okay, we got it. We got the smooth stone, guys. Don't worry. Okay, so what I meant by digging straight down is this. Yeah, so it's exactly this, that we won't have to just dig straight down. We will just be doing this. Okay, so just like this, we can just dig straight down and nothing will happen, because if something will happen, it will happen in front of you, not to you. So yeah, that's, I feel like, the best part of my, wait a second, mining. Yeah, and yeah, I personally love this way. And guys, comment down below if you also like this way of mining down. So yeah, guys, I will be mining, and yeah, if we find something, I will be telling you guys. So wait, now let's just mine. Okay guys, you won't believe me, but yes, you actually have to, guys, because guys, I actually found a mine shaft right in front of what we just went down to. So guys, and yeah, there's one problem, that mine shaft is full of cave spiders. Don't worry, I killed a lot of them, but still, look, I have this thing, the spider, what is this called? Oh, string as well. Guys, I actually killed several of them, and yeah, their strings I didn't take because they were just useless. And yeah, that wasn't that much far. Look, this, I just used one pickaxe and it hasn't just break yet, so it is really cool. So now what I will be doing is I will be taking this, because I don't want my iron sword to be dead down there. And guys, one more thing, I actually found redstone over there as well. So yeah, that's the main thing. So yeah, after, guys, what I'm feeling like is to just first let's just get rid of all of the spiders, all of the skeletons, all of those creatures down there, and then I will be taking my iron pickaxe. Okay guys, be ready, please. Guys, I just wish that no cave spider poisons me. Oh wait, oh wait a second. Okay, I actually have it. I actually have my okay. I actually have my iron chest plate on, but still, guys, look. Guys, look. There's a redstone. As you can see, there is a red stone. Okay. I actually have to be really careful. Oh, why cannot I hear any sound of a spider? I don't know. Oh, wait a second, guys. Yeah, I actually break. I had a lot of pickaxes, so I break the one of the one of that what one of the mob spawner of the cave spiders. Oh my god, guys, I am actually so proud right now with myself. And yeah, I actually blocked this way as well. So there were a lot. Oh, wait a second. Let's just okay. There were. Oh, wow. This sword is shining like something which is really cool. So yeah, what I can just take this. So guys, there were a lot of those things, those hostile mobs. Yeah, guys, after we'll be taking these, then I will be bringing all of that. So what I'm feeling is to just take all of this. And yeah, guys, still I didn't find diamonds. That's the most used thing of this adventure, that I didn't found diamonds. I only found, oh wait, I actually found a lot of iron. So yeah, that counts. That actually counts. I don't know why can't I hear a single voice of an cave spider, because guys, I am telling you, when I left there were two cave spiders. I thought that I will fight them in front of you, but yeah, I cannot hear them, I cannot see them. I just wish when I will bring my iron pickaxe they don't appear all of a sudden. I actually wish that should happen. So let's just go up, take it from the top, the iron pickaxe, the main thing that we need. Guys, I am actually really depressed that we didn't got what we wanted. And yeah, what we didn't wish that much, we got that. So that's actually really not what I thought, but what can we do? It's life, and exactly, it's Minecraft life. And yeah, there's the desert pyramid. So yeah, I cannot hear them right now over here, or any kind of spider. I'm glad that I cannot hear any spider. I'm actually really glad. Okay, guys, skeleton. Serious, there's a skeleton right. So wait a second, guys. Wait a second. Have I blocked it correctly? I feel like, yeah, I have. But guys, what we just saw right now means, are you guys actually seeing it, what we are seeing? No, I actually mean what I am seeing. Are you seeing the same thing? Oh my word, guys. Oh my, oh guys, I'm actually really happy. Okay, well, there's one thing that I have learned from all my Minecraft playing series, and that is never be in a cave that much long, and if your work is done, then get out. So yeah, I am actually following that thing since I play Minecraft. So yeah, what we wanted is done. Guys, I cannot. Oh, okay. Wait a second. I will take this diamond. Okay. I guys, we are rich. We are RIC. Okay, there are more. Guys, there are more diamonds. Okay, guys, there are more diamonds. Oh my god, this, guys, I actually love this mine shaft. Oh my god, guys, there are a lot of diamonds. I just wish that there are more. Okay, 6, and there are total 8. What? That was it. But don't worry, guys. 8 is the beautiful price, I must say, because from my point of view, I think that 8 is the best thing. 8 diamonds is a not bad situation thing, and I feel like yeah, we should be going up because yeah, if we need an iron pickaxe, we don't need it because now we can craft our own diamond pickaxe. If we need an iron sword, we don't need because we can craft our own iron diamond sword, and that is just so wonderful, guys. Means if you just come and think of it. Oh, wait a second, we are why it's raining a lot and lots of oh, wait a second. Oh, there's a zombie villager down there, I feel like. Yeah. So guys, I am actually really happy. I'm actually really happy, guys. I'm actually really happy, guys. I'm actually really, oh, wait a second. Oh, okay, but what I am feeling is that I won't be crafting oh, wait a second, let's just put our redstone down there. It would okay, we got a lot of guys, we actually have a lot of, oh my god, guys, we actually, wait a second, why isn't it coming over here? Infested in what is this? Cobblestone? And what is the wait a second, infested cobblestone, in cobblestone, okay. Infested cobblestone, okay. Let's just leave it, don't worry, guys. Let's just leave it. Okay, now we will be keeping all of our junks inside there, and yes, oh, guys, I am actually really happy right now. I love it, guys. I actually love this moment. Oh, wait a second, we actually have to get that nether portal, the obsidians from the nether portal, to build our own nether. Guys, we are rich, we are actually rich. So yeah, now the first thing that I actually have to do is make a really tough and a really good decision that what should I be making with diamond. Okay, now the first thing is that we will be making one pickaxe. Okay, no more diamonds use. Now I think we should be making a sword. Yeah, and if we got an enchantment, we can put the enchantment on this sword, and yeah, we will be go. Yeah, okay, 3 diamonds left. We will be keeping these diamonds. I don't want anybody to put a bad nazar on my diamond. So yeah, okay. Is it night? No, it's not night. Okay, so first we will be keeping this down there, and let's just, oh, wait a second, we shouldn't be going open-handed onto our diamonds and all of that. We should be taking a really cool old decision. We should be taking our iron sword, and yeah, I'm actually really glad that my iron sword hasn't been used. Its durability is really, oh, it's actually full, yo. Okay, I'm actually really in luck. Okay, and I think that it won't, okay, it will, okay, it actually will. Oh, we actually have crying obsidian. Oh, guys, just think, if we got a lot of crying obsidians, I think 6, yeah, if we got 6 crying obsidians with 3 glowstones, we can actually make our own respawn anchor. Oh, and if you don't know what is a respawn anchor, I will be telling you. A respawn anchor is a thing, like it works like a bed. Like in the overworld, if you place a bed and you set your spawn point on it, if you will die, you will just respawn right in front of the bed. And yes, guys, but yeah, there's a problem with the bed in the nether, that whenever you click the bed on the nether, the bed explodes. So yeah, that isn't the thing that I'm talking about here. Respawn anchors help us that we can actually respawn in the. Oh no, I actually have to take good decisions, bros. Why am I mining netherrack? Okay, so okay, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I was saying that respawn anchors help you respawn in the nether. We just have to recharge it every time we use it. And yeah, it's actually really easy to recharge it. We just need 4 glowstones, or yeah, 3 to 1. But if we'll be using 4, it will help us respawn 4 times, and only 1 time. So yeah guys, don't forget to build that respawn anchor, just so you can respawn in the nether if you actually want. And if you don't want, that doesn't matter. But if you actually want, you can do it. That's a pro tip, and that's the last pro tip I'm giving in this episode. Now I will okay guys, I'm actually really happy, but yeah, it is actually taking a lot of time. So don't worry guys, I'm not wasting a lot of time for you guys as well. Okay, so guys, I'm back, and yeah, I got a lot of obsidians, but there's one last problem, and that is we didn't got 6 crying obsidian, we only got 5. That is actually really bad. So okay, we can work, and if we barter with the piglins, we can actually get more. And yeah, I actually want a lot of gold as well, not joking, a lot of gold, so I can just make a cool chest plate out of gold. Because yeah, I'm serious, if I actually take the iron chest plate to the nether, yeah, it won't be there for as long as possible. So yeah, first of all, we will be making our nether portal. It will be really cool. So now the first thing that we have to take a really nice decision is that where do we make our nether portal? Okay, I feel like it should be, no, it shouldn't be out. I feel like it should be inside our house. But where? Why don't we build another room for it? Oh yeah, that's the exact thing I want to be built in my house. And yeah, why don't we? Okay, now let's just take this one and this one, these both as well. So what I'm feeling like is to just mine down straight, what you shouldn't be doing, but yeah, I will be doing, don't worry guys. Never try this at home. Okay, I feel like this is the perfect place where we have landed. The one thing I don't know, why am I mining dirt with a pickaxe? Okay, now let's just leave that. Okay, so yeah guys, I'm really glad that we are going to actually create a beautiful looking nether portal. Why am I wasting more durability of pickaxes if I just have one which is already raw? No, it's not raw, it's actually no. So yeah guys, first I will be clearing a lot and lots of space down here, and then I will be making my nether portal over here. And yeah, what I actually want is enchantment like sharpness 5 or 4 or 3 or 2 or 1. Oh, that would actually be really nice for me. So I can just decorate my pickaxe. No, not exactly decorate it. What I can do is that I can just get a nice old little pickaxe. I love pickaxes, so I will get that kind of pickaxe. And yeah, then that will be the most powerful pickaxe, I think. Guys, wait a second. What is the guys, comment down below what is the most powerful enchantment for a sword, not a pickaxe, sword. Sorry. What is the most powerful enchantment for a sword? In sharpness 5, sharpness 7. Oh no, there isn't sharpness 7. I think it's till sharpness 3 or 4. Yeah, I think that it's still sharpness 3, not 5 as well. Okay, so if the whatever is the most highest amount of sharpness, I will be going with it. I will actually be going with it. I'm not joking. I will actually be going with it. Okay, so guys, don't worry. We will be improving our nether room as well. We are not just letting the nether portal be here. We actually will be improving it. Oh yeah, we actually need. Okay. We actually have to just break this one and the last. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it's done. Okay guys, I'm really happy. Sorry for that, but what can I do? I'm actually really happy, everybody. So yeah, that's the thing. That's what we are gonna be doing. And yeah, let's why are we placing dirt in front of another portal? How will I go up? Okay, I actually have to create. I actually have to create. Uh, okay. So yeah, what I will be doing is I will be creating a little bit of those ladders. Yeah, ladders. So yeah, let's just take this wood. Let's just take all of the sticks. 8 sticks. 3 ladders. Oh my god, that's cool. But we don't have that much wood. So oh my, why? I don't get it. Okay, now this I think is the last plank we will log we will be taking to make planks, then sticks, then stairs. So yeah, let's just go. I feel like that with this we can make a lot of. So let's just take this one, then this and yup. We are, wait a second. No, I don't want this. So yeah, we have gotten a lot of these, and yeah, 6 stairs, guys. Not bad, not bad. 6 stairs, not bad. Yes. So yeah, guys, I have done this. Oh, I actually don't want to jump that hard. So what I should be doing is already jumping. Oh no, I don't think that 6. Okay, 6. How could 6 be enough? Let's just try it up from here. So means we don't need that much, but still, if we will be needing. Okay guys, 6 isn't enough. I feel like, no, I know that we need 7. Yep, 7. Oh no, 6 is enough. Oh yeah, guys, 6 is enough. 6 is enough. Okay, I actually like that idea of 6. Yep, so we are going with 6. Don't worry everybody. So this is our secret base, and yeah, I actually have the pistons, but I don't have slime, so I cannot make a sticky piston. But don't worry, we will be making that in some time. Yeah, let's just keep this right here, guys. We actually have a lot of, guys, we actually have 2 stacks of cobblestone, and yeah, I feel like we could. 3 stacks. 3 stacks are done, guys. 3 stacks. Let's just put our crying obsidian right here, because guys, I actually don't want my crying obsidian to cry over each other. We actually have a lot of dirt as well, bros. Not bad. Okay, we actually have a lot of, guys, we actually have a lot of resources. Don't worry about all of that. So yeah, let's just do this. We have flint and we have 11 iron. Not bad. We can just get a flint and steel ready to be lighting up that portal. Oh, wait a second. Why? Oh no, yeah, let's just light the. So guys, what I'm feeling is that we will be lighting the portal right now, but we'll be going in there, yeah, in the next episode. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, that's looking really cool. I actually love it. So yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see me going into the nether portal. Yeah, that's the thing. I actually don't want to go down there. So guys, subscribe if you actually want me to go down there, and yeah, all of that. So yeah, let's just go to our small cabin again. And what I'm feeling like is to just make a bed and place it over to our cabin. So our cabin could also look a little bit cooler. But but the thing is that we don't have the thing. So okay, don't worry about that. We actually will be taking this a little bit. Oh yeah, I am glad that there is no rain. So yeah, the last thing we'll be doing in the over here is we'll be taking a bed from any villager or something, blah 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 blah. We will be just